Get ready, because we're about to talk about what might just be the biggest software shift since the invention of smartphones. This isn't just another tech trend. It's a fundamental change in how we interact with technology, and it's happening right now. Most people are completely unaware of the tidal wave that's about to hit, but by the end of this video, you won't be one of them. We are talking about AI agents. AI agents are poised to redefine our relationship with software, moving it from a passive tool to an active collaborator. To truly grasp the magnitude of this change, let's start with what you're already familiar with, the chatbot. Think of ChatGPT, Gemini, or any other conversational AI you've used. You give it a prompt, it gives you a response. You ask it to write an email, it writes the email. You ask it to summarize a document, it summarizes the document. It's an incredibly powerful tool, but its core function is reactive. A chatbot waits for your instructions. It's a one-to-one exchange. You provide the input, and it provides the output based on that single command. It doesn't take the next step unless you explicitly tell it to. It's like having a brilliant intern who can do any single task you assign perfectly, but who then sits and waits for you to tell them what to do next. They won't take the initiative to organize the files after they've finished drafting the report, unless you specifically ask them to. This dependency on continuous human input is the key limitation that AI agents are designed to overcome. So, how is an AI agent different? This is where the paradigm shifts completely. An AI agent doesn't just wait for instructions. An AI agent gets a goal, and then it figures out all the necessary steps on its own to achieve that goal. Instead of telling it, draft an email to the marketing team about the Q3 report, you would give an AI agent a goal like ensure the marketing team is fully briefed on the final Q3 performance report and has all the assets they need for the upcoming press release. The difference is monumental. You've given it an outcome, not a task. The agent now has to figure out the how. It has to break down that high-level objective into a series of smaller, actionable steps. It is the difference between asking someone for a single nail and asking them to build a chair. One requires a simple, direct action. The other requires planning, resource management, and a sequence of coordinated efforts. This ability to autonomously deconstruct a goal into a series of executable actions is what makes AI agents so revolutionary. The agent might start by locating the final Q3 performance report on the company's shared drive. Then, it might draft a summary of the key findings, highlighting the most important metrics for the marketing team. After that, it could compose a clear and concise email, attach the full report and the summary, and identify the correct distribution list for the marketing department. It might even cross-reference the project management system to find related marketing assets, like graphics or pre-approved social media copy, and include links to those in the email as well. Finally, it would send the email and perhaps even set a reminder for itself to follow up in 2 days if it doesn't receive a confirmation of receipt from key team members. All of this happens from a single, high-level goal you provided. The AI is no longer just a tool. It's a project manager. It's a coordinator. It's an executive assistant with a digital brain. The core capabilities of an AI agent are what make this possible. It can plan, execute, adapt, and even talk to other AI agents. Let's break that down. Planning is the first crucial step we just discussed, taking a complex goal and creating a strategic, step-by-step roadmap to achieve it. This isn't a static plan, either. As the agent moves to the execution phase, actually performing the tasks like writing code, searching databases, or sending messages, it constantly learns and refines its approach. This is where adaptation comes in. If the agent hits an obstacle, it doesn't just stop and report an error. If it can't find the Q3 report in the expected folder, it might adapt its strategy by searching the company-wide archive, or by sending a query to another AI agent that manages company documents. It can problem-solve in real time, much like a human would. If an API call fails, it might retry with a different parameter. If a website it needs to access is down, it might schedule a task to try again later. This ability to self-correct and navigate unforeseen challenges without human intervention is a game changer. Perhaps the most futuristic and most powerful capability is their ability to collaborate. An AI agent can talk to other AI agents. Imagine a complex business goal, like launching a new product. The primary agent, let's call it the launch coordinator, could be given the goal, successfully launch product X by the end of the quarter. This agent would then delegate tasks to specialized sub-agents. It could communicate with a marketing agent to handle the promotional campaign, a sales agent to update the CRM and prepare the sales team. a logistics agent to ensure inventory is in place, and a customer support agent to prepare the help desk with FAQs and troubleshooting guides. These agents would communicate with each other, sharing progress updates, flagging dependencies, and resolving conflicts automatically. The marketing agent might tell the sales agent that the ad campaign is live, and the sales agent, in turn, could confirm to the launch coordinator that all leads are being funneled correctly. This is a digital workforce, a collaborative ecosystem of intelligent software working in concert to achieve complex business objectives. This is not some far-off science fiction concept. This is why companies are restructuring their teams right now. Forward-thinking organizations understand that the nature of work itself is about to be fundamentally altered. They are looking at their internal processes, their team structures, and their workflows, and they are asking, what can be automated by an agent? And how do our human teams best leverage this new form of digital labor? The traditional model of a manager assigning discrete tasks to individual human employees is becoming obsolete. In the near future, a manageress role may shift to defining high-level strategic goals and overseeing a team composed of both human experts and specialized AI agents. The humans will focus on creativity, strategic direction, and complex problem-solving that requires emotional intelligence, while the agents handle the meticulous, repetitive, and data-intensive tasks with superhuman speed and accuracy. With this transformation, our very definition of software is changing. For decades, software has been a tool. It has been a passive instrument that we, the users, wield to accomplish a task. A word processor doesn't write an essay for you. It's a tool that helps you write it more efficiently. A spreadsheet doesn't create a financial model for you. It's a tool that helps you calculate and visualize it. But with the rise of AI agents, software is no longer just a tool. It's becoming a worker. It is an active participant in the process, capable of taking on responsibility, making decisions, and executing complex workflows from start to finish. This is a profound leap. It is the equivalent of moving from a hammer and saw to a team of autonomous robotic carpenters who only need to be shown the blueprint for a house. And the most startling part of all this is that most people have absolutely no idea how close this reality already is. This isn't a prediction for 2040. The foundational technologies are here today. Companies like Adept, Cognition Labs with their agent Devon for coding, and numerous open source projects are demonstrating agents that can browse the web, operate software, and complete complex multi-step tasks right now. The development is happening at an exponential pace. What seems like a proof of concept today will be a commercial product tomorrow and a workplace standard the day after. The transition from chatbots to fully autonomous agents will be faster than the transition from flip phones to smartphones. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a whole new category of existence for software, and it will create immense opportunities for those who understand it and significant challenges for those who ignore it. The era of the digital worker has begun. If you found this information valuable and want to stay ahead of the tech shifts that are shaping our world, please do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Your support helps us create more content like this to keep you informed and prepared for the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.